Click on the link below to get price. The TECHTONGDA 500pints commercial dehumidifier is an impressive piece of equipment designed specifically for large indoor spaces, making it ideal for commercial settings like warehouses, greenhouses, and large-scale indoor planting operations. Its robust capacity of 500 pints per day ensures that it can efficiently handle significant moisture levels, which is crucial for plant health and preventing mold growth. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its high-performance compressor, which operates quietly while maintaining a powerful extraction capability. This is particularly beneficial in environments where noise levels need to be kept to a minimum. The unit also comes with an automatic humidity control system, allowing users to set their desired humidity levels, and the machine will automatically adjust its operation to maintain those settings. This level of automation not only saves users time but also ensures optimal conditions for plant growth. The build quality of the TECHTONGDA dehumidifier is commendable. Its sturdy construction is designed to withstand the rigors of commercial use, and the materials used are robust enough to ensure longevity. Additionally, the unit features a large, easy-to-empty water tank, although it can also be connected to a drainage hose for continuous operation, which is a significant convenience. In terms of portability, the dehumidifier comes equipped with caster wheels, making it easy to move around different areas as needed. This flexibility is especially useful in larger facilities where humidity levels may vary across different spaces. However, it's worth noting that the initial setup may require some technical knowledge, particularly regarding the drainage connection. The user manual provides comprehensive instructions, but those unfamiliar with such systems may need assistance. Overall, the TECHTONGDA 500pints commercial dehumidifier is an excellent investment for anyone serious about maintaining ideal humidity levels in a commercial setting. Its efficient performance, durability, and user-friendly features make it a top choice for indoor planting operations.